Roanoke already a lot of snowfall on the ground, and we are expecting that tally somewhere around 16 to 20 inches, very close to that right now. And
there's the TV saying what we're getting. Here I am going to the patio. You won't believe what I'm about to show. Meow. Holy. Wow. Holy moly. It's still not showing in the screen the snow though. Well, I guess it's coming through there, but it looks more impressive in person than on this camera. Look at that table. Wow. So this is the backyard, people. That table looks cool too. It looks like an old style hat. Anyway, these are just test videos. More to come. And cut.